Jonathan here with Darrow Kia Madison. I'm standing on top of a machine, and I have no idea how it works. But luckily I do have guys who do, and this is an alignment rack. And here's why they're important. We live in the beautiful state of Wisconsin, which has some fabulous natural geography, a wonderful culture, and a ton of potholes. And if you're like me and drive your car every day, you probably drive over them occasionally. And what that can do, other than annoy you and make you worry that you got a flat tire, is slowly throw your car out of alignment. And alignment is important for a number of reasons. One, it can impede the ride quality, make it not as smooth. Two, as the tires are just slightly by just the tiniest angles off from exactly where they're supposed to be, it can also wear your tires unevenly and distress your suspension components. All of these issues, if left to fester and unfixed, can be very expensive to fix. However, an alignment you can get done for under a couple $100, and trust me, I don't like spending a couple $100, but I like it a lot more than spending thousands of dollars on new tires or new suspension components. So if you drive every day in Wisconsin and want to make sure that your car is in proper alignment, feel free to call or stop by and set up a time to have your alignment checked and, if needed, fixed, because we live in Wisconsin.